So I'll be quick and concise, and thank you, Dr. Garg, for allowing me to speak. And first of all, I would like to start with congratulating. Can you please start, load it from start? Yes. I would like to congratulate for multifaceted, approaches and efforts, your incredible efforts towards be it water, be it agriculture, and be it policy making. They are working incredibly towards multifaceted fronts to get the problem solved. So I was listening to the various keynotes carefully, the diverse technologies and the various dynamic and innovative approaches I have seen since yesterday. So what I have out of this, what I can conclude is we know that R&D and innovations is a necessity for solving any problem, and we can agree to the fact that it is essential to bring the change. So I also further I totally agree with the facts beautifully explained by earlier speaker here that economy is the driver of the technology or R&D. So also during the inaugural sessions, Dr. V.K. Garg and Mr. Raman from SIDBI too highlighted that importance of equity funding and support to the startups and growing technologies. So with this, I represent IIT Ropar TIF AWaDH, which is a part of a startup ecosystem, and we support we are a startup ecosystem, and we are the enabler of the system. So can you, yes, please make it to the first slide. So this is my center is, next slide please. So we are supported by Department of Science and Technology under the NMICPS missions, where 25 hubs are there, and a lot of fundings are given to us with the vision to make India a global R&D hub. So the next slide, please. So yes, we have this. So our focus area, all IITs have different focus area. Our focus area is agriculture and water technology development hub. So as some of the speakers have mentioned that yes, there must be equity funding and raising funding. So just to highlight that, we have supported. We have funded 1.75 CR. To multiple startups, and after that they have raised external funding of over 3.2 CR. So next slide please. Yesterday respected speaker sitting here, they were discussing about the nanobubble technology. So it was being discussed that it is available through Korea and coming from outside India also. So I would like to highlight this technology that is being totally indigenous, made up in the IIT Ropar. So I would be happy to connect if someone wants to connect with Dr. Neil Kant. So they have developed a nanotechnology. Nanotechnology is a proven technology that increase in surface area will bring changes, be it pharmaceutical, be it paint industry. It is everywhere. So it improve the efficiency. It is known to prove the efficiency. So they have the product market ready, and if anyone wants to have them, we can connect them. I am here, and I'll be connecting with them. So next slide, please. This is one of the incubating. How they claim to save water is they have prepared a flooring system that will last for 6x times. So the reflooring water wastage is prevented. So next slide, please. So what are the programs we have for water technology developments? So our main focus remains the human skilling. So every month we conduct training programs under this INM ICPS missions. The second is Sprint and Samriddhi. Next slide, please. So this is the human upskilling we are conducting every month. Yes, next slide, please. So next slide, please. So Samriddhi is a flagship program started and inaugurated by our Honorable Minister Shri Gajendra Singh Shekhawat ji at IIT Ropar on 2nd of June. So as Dr. Garg have mentioned that the quick action is necessary. So we have completed first cohort of this program. Next slide, please. Where we have funded 15 startups, 15 pitches were there. We have funded them 28 to 50 lakhs each startups. And that the program has been finalized on 11th and 12th of August, and where the finalists were three finalists were from the Shark Tank final thing as well. So we were able to support them under our mission. Next slide, please. So this is the just glimpse of. Next slide, please. Next, please. So this is a program is currently we are running, and the next cohort of this previous program will also be soon. So under this program, the applications are open. Anyone who wants to connect with us, we are available. Next slide, please. This is the sprint thing. Next, please. We have three model of funding. We give seed fund to startups who have just idea, and we help them get them validated. We give seed funds up to 5 lakh. Then soft loans. Someone has asked that this should be an approach to give affordable loans. So we are giving 3 to 5 at a rate of 3 to 5% loan systems. Next slide, please. So these are the propositions where this is our portfolio, where we have supported startups, and they have generated money from external investors after that. Next slide, please. Next, please. This is a portfolio. So these highlighted in brown are supported by us, and then they have raised money. Next slide. So these are some success stories. This MooSense is a sensing platform. This is totally indigenous and developed and produced within the IIT ecosystem, within the IIT premises only. The second one is in collaboration with Syngenta, which is prepared here in IIT Ropar and being tested in the field at IIT Ropar as well. And UBreathe, some of you might be knowing about it. So next slide, please. They have presented at various platforms, raised money. Next slide. So yes, we want to use the opportunity to innovate, collaborate, and join hands and share our knowledge. I have heard many times that sharing knowledge is here, and this is a good platform. So I would suggest that instead of sharing knowledge, along with that, you share IP as well. I'm an Indian patent agent, and I can say that having an IP does not necessarily lead to you a product. So you need to ensure freedom to operate and other things. So what I meant to by this is share knowledge, but do protect it first, and then share IP where the field are less developed. For example, some of the developers have freed their IP related to EV technologies. Tesla has done that. So that kind of approaches can be taken, and below are the links. We can be connected. So next slide, please. So these are our facilities and offerings. Quickly go through it. Next slide. So just wanted to highlight one more thing. Next slide, please. Next, please. So we are working with Syngenta to develop these technologies. Okay. So with this, I think I can conclude. Thank you very much. So this brochure is available outside. You can have a look at it. Thank you very much.